Let's talk about the redesign of the reporting feature available in public preview in Grafana 12.2 on July 22nd, 2025. I'm Juan Cabanas, a software engineer on the sharing team at Grafana Labs. With this redesign, we have made the report creation flow simpler and more intuitive. The previous multi-step flow is gone, and we have replaced it with a sectioned form so the whole report is on a single page. You can now create reports directly from a dashboard while maintaining the dashboard context and see a list of reports that include the current dashboard. So how does it work? Let me show you. Okay, so once I already selected the dashboard, I want to create a report. I click on Share, then Scale Report, and the Scale Report drawer opens. I click on Create a new report, and as you can see, most of these fields are pre-filled, but you can make any change you like. I'll add a recipient now. So then from here, what I want to show you is this menu where you can download a CSV file of all the table panels if there are any, generate a preview PDF, or go to your organization report settings. Now I'm going to scale the report. We are automatically taken back to the scale report drawer, and now the report we just created is listed here. And that's it. Check out the updated reporting docs to learn more and try it for yourself.